toward a brighter future. As we stand here, we are not just individuals, but represent observations, and necessary commitment to creating a more compassionate and more inclusive world. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rini Juliani, and I stand here to talk about something that I believe is crucial for our collective future. That is about the case for integrating technology in English language learning. First of all, why integrating technology in English learning is important. As we stand on the threshold of the 21st century, it is important that we recognize the transformative power of technology in shaping the future of education. So, I want to present to you the compelling reason why integrating technology is important. First, technology has the ability to personalize the learning experience. With the help of adaptive software, students can learn at their own pace, receiving feedback and support tailored to their individual needs. This not only enhance their learning experience, but also increase student engagement and motivation. The second one is technology can bridge the gap between traditional classroom teaching and real-world application. Interactive multimedia resources such as videos, podcasts, and online articles can provide students with authentic and engaging material that replace language use in real-life situations. This is not only improve language proficiency, but also prepare students to face the demands of rapidly changing global landscape. And the third one is technology can facilitate collaboration and communication across geographic boundaries. Online platforms and social media can connect students from diverse linguistic and cultural backgrounds, fostering a sense of global citizenship and encouraging cross-cultural understanding. This is especially important in today's interconnected world, where global communication is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. The third one is technology can reduce costs and increase the accessibility of English language learning. Online course and language learning apps can reach students in remote or underserved areas, giving them equal opportunities to acquire English language skills. This is especially important in developing countries when access to quality education is often limited. And the last one is technology can enhance teacher training and professional development. Online resources and courses can equip teachers with the skills and knowledge needs to effectively integrate technology into their teaching practice. This is not only increase teacher confidence, but also
second question is, what are the long-term benefits of integrating technology in English learning?
Okay, thank you, Miss Dea. That's a very interesting question. Okay, Miss Rini, you may answer the question.
Okay, I will answer the questions. The long-term benefits of integrating technology in English learning include improved language skills, increased global citizenship, and enhanced employability. By developing strong language skills, students can better communicate and collaborate with people from diverse backgrounds, which is essential in today's globalization world. That's all.